Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a custom user registration form in WordPress step by step without touching any code, perfect for memberships, e-learning, or user-based sites. Let's get started. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to plugins section from the left side bar, then search for WP form and click enter and choose this app and upgrade and activate it. To use registration forms, you will need WP Forms Pro Plus, the user registration add-on. Once activated, go to WP Form add-ons, find the user registration add-on and click install. Now go to WP Forms, then add new and name your form like custom registration. Choose the user registration form template or start from blank and drag and drop fields. You want name, email, username, password, phone, website, drop downs, file uploads, etc. You can also set fields as required and use smart conditional logic. WP Forms settings, user registration. So configure user registration settings. Go to WP Form app and click settings, then user registration tab. Here map the form fields to user profile fields. You can auto assign user roles like subscriber, editors, etc. Enable email configuration. Enable email confirmation. Auto login users after registration, customize the confirmation message or redirect them to a welcome page. Add the form to a page. Go to pages section and choose a page like your registration form or create one. Click add page, name it registration now or registration for free. Then click the plus icon, add the WP form block, or search for registration form like that. Here you'll see like name, email, phone number. Select an option. How did you hear about us? Then send box. Publish the page. Your custom user registration form is live. You can view now users under under WordPress. Go to WordPress dashboard. Then from the plugin section, click on WP Forms, then entires plus WordPress, then users. Want to limit who can register or block? Use CAPTCHA, WP Forms, settings, reCAPTCHA. Add email registrations or approval workflows. So that's it. And that's how you make a custom registration form in WordPress. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know if you want a login form tutorial next. See you the next time. Thanks for watching.